Hi everyone, this is Miss T. Welcome to my channel. Miss T is blessed. If this is your first time here, welcome. My channel is about hauls, DIYs, my love of DIYs, vlogging, and lifestyle. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for your time. So today I'll be doing a small series, part 3 of Wellness Wednesday. Wellness Wednesday, episode 3. So today I'm going to be talking about grieving. So during Wellness Wednesday, I've been talking about maybe medical issues or just lifestyle things that have affected me, in my opinion. And hopefully you'll comment and tell me what you think about the video or if you've experienced any of these issues. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse. This is just my experiences and my opinions. So today I'm going to talk about grief. So I have some notes as usual. So grief is a deep sadness from a loss. It can be from losing a family member, losing anything that's really important to you, a relationship ending. So grief is different for everyone. So it's not supposed to be, there are 5 to 7 stages in grieving. The first is denial, and the last is acceptance. And in between, everybody doesn't experience the same thing. Sometimes if you lose a family member, depending if the person was sick, old, if it was sudden, you grieve different, and you grieve for a different amount of time. So one of the stages is anger. You get upset because, well, everybody get upset about different things. Maybe it was something could have been done differently, or you just mad that it happened, or you don't know how to express what you're going through. Also, depression is a part of grieving because you feel such a bad loss and there's nothing you can do about it. So on my Wellness Wednesday, I go through symptoms, diagnosis, and solutions. So these are just some of the symptoms of grieving for some people. So like I said before, everybody have different reactions. Some people are sad, some people work extra hard, throw themselves into work. Some people just don't know what to do. They get depressed, they get sad, they stay to themselves. But usually, over a period of time, it gets better. For some people, it never stops. They never stop grieving, but it's just a shorter period of time. So for me, some of the solutions are to share your memories. So for me, some of the people that I've lost are my mom, my dad, my grandparents on both sides, my aunt, my uncles, and 2 of my best friends. So I share memories of my mom. She was an usher for 60 years. My dad, he was an organ and piano player for a lot of churches in Baltimore City. My aunt, she was a holiness pastor. Some of my favorite memories of my uncles were Saturday mornings. They lived in different states, but on most Saturday mornings, they came to my mom's house for breakfast. And I have a sister that passed away. She lived in a different state. And I would just love to hear her talk all the time. And my best friends, I share stories of how we used to go out and we used to stay together no matter what. We always helped each other out. And my son's godmother, she was very down to earth and very outspoken. So I've learned lessons from all of these people, and this helped me through the grieving process. So another thing that I do is I have memorabilia, things to remember them by. But as I share the stories with my children or grandchildren, because I love to do DIYs, I sometimes, especially during the holidays, like Mother's Day is coming, so I might make something with my grandchildren for their mother, and I'll tell them a story about my mother or my aunt or somebody. So for example, I'm going to show you one of these DIYs. This is just a little carrying bag I bought from Dollar Tree. So I just got these little letters and traced them, and they say Mom. And on the back, I just put one of the Dollar Tree stickers that says pray about everything. So what I'm going to let my grandchildren do is put the rest of the sticker on that says do not worry about anything. That's the beginning of it. And they'll put it over top of this part. And on the back where it says Mom, I'm going to let them write their name. And then at the top they can put Best Mom or We Love You Mom, whatever they choose to do. So this is just a easy DIY that you can help your children or grandchildren or your friends do during the holidays when they're grieving someone, and just so they'll feel better. And as time goes on, the memories are what they remember and not so much the pain from the loss. So this is another bag from Dollar Tree, and I just put Miss T is blessed. And also when you're doing DIYs, it's time consuming, it's relaxing, and if that's what you like to do, then it's just something that eases some of the grieving. So as time goes on, for me, the grieving process became easier because I shared so many memories with friends and family. So this is Ms. T. This is Wellness Wednesday, and today we talked about grief. I hope it helps somebody, and if you have a story, please leave it in the comment section. So this is Ms. T. Have a blessed day, and remember, today is a gift. Enjoy your present and live your best life. Have a blessed day.